I recently came across the Blissvona Mosquito Bracelet being advertised as a natural mosquito repellent that is chemical-free, lightweight, waterproof, and suitable for both adults and children. The ads show happy families outdoors, protected by a simple bracelet. It sounds like a convenient solution for camping, hiking, fishing, and gardening, right? So I decided to look into the evidence behind it. Quick disclaimer, this is my personal research and opinion, for informational and educational purposes only. Let me start with what the company says. The Blissvona bracelet is marketed as a natural mosquito repellent made with chemical-free ingredients. It is designed to be lightweight, waterproof, and adjustable, and is reusable and easy to wear. It's promoted as a convenient solution for outdoor activities like camping, hiking, fishing, and gardening. The product claims to provide effective protection for extended periods. When I started looking into the details, a very different picture emerged. Recent testing by which found that mosquito repellent bracelets are among the worst performers you can buy. Pestec's mosquito repellent bracelets were put to a rigorous test, where volunteers inserted their arms into a cage full of mosquitoes. Despite bold packaging claiming up to 300 hours of protection, volunteers wearing the bracelets were bitten within 3 minutes. They were given a "don't buy" rating. Researchers from New Mexico State University tested several wearable devices, including repellent bracelets and sonic repellers. Their conclusion: wearable devices such as bracelets or sonic repellers were found to be largely ineffective in repelling Aedes aegypti mosquitoes. The researchers hypothesized that the concentrations that are emitted by all of the bracelets that we tested were too low to have an effect. A systematic review by the Cochrane Library found limited and low-quality evidence in favor of wristbands. The review found that while some DEET-treated wristbands showed a statistically significant decrease in mosquito landings, bracelets containing natural oils like geraniol, lemongrass, and citronella oil showed no statistically significant reduction compared to controls. Here's where the science becomes important. Mosquito bracelets work by releasing small amounts of repellent vapor that theoretically creates a protective zone around you. However, the concentration of active ingredient that disperses from a small bracelet is simply too low to provide meaningful protection over your entire body. Even the patent literature for mosquito bracelets acknowledges the challenge of maintaining an effective concentration over time and uses controlled release technology to slow evaporation. A public health review noted that the presentation of repellents embedded in bracelets is a technology that faces regulatory challenges, and that these bracelets do not provide adequate protection against mosquito bites. The Blissvona bracelet claims to be a natural mosquito repellent using chemical-free ingredients. However, the research shows that chemical-free often means the repellent is based on essential oils, which wear off rapidly in outdoor conditions. Tests found that products marketed as eco-friendly and gentle on sensitive skin performed the worst. Health Canada recommends avoiding methods whose effectiveness has not been convincingly demonstrated. In the EU, the Spanish Agency of Medicines and Health Products establishes recommendations for identification and proper use of authorized insect repellent bracelets that have been registered with a number, but essential oil bracelets like Blissvona are not considered repellents by regulators. The pattern here is something I've seen before: a product with flashy marketing and bold claims that independent testing shows simply doesn't work. The bracelet category consistently underperforms, yet new brands keep launching with similar promises. Established brands with proven repellents, DEET, picaridin, PMD, consistently pass independent testing, while bracelets consistently fail. This isn't just about wasting money. The real risk is that people who rely on bracelets may neglect to take correct protective actions, especially in areas where mosquito-borne diseases like dengue or West Nile virus are a concern. If you're in an area with active disease transmission, a failed repellent isn't just inconvenient, it's dangerous. So, is the Blissvona Mosquito Bracelet a scam? In my opinion, it's not necessarily a scam, but it is a product that doesn't work as advertised based on the available evidence. Multiple independent studies, including those from New Mexico State University and the Cochrane Library, have found that mosquito repellent bracelets are ineffective against mosquito bites. products with natural essential oils like citronella performed no better than doing nothing at all. If you want to avoid mosquito bites, use proven repellents like DEET, picaridin, or PMD. They are actually effective and cost much less than you'd think. Have you tried Blissvona or a similar mosquito bracelet? Drop your experience in the comments below. I read every one. And if you found this research helpful, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next investigation.